Hi, this is Tadao of まだ使えるで video. まだ使えるで is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today I'm gonna replace the blower motor unit for the 93 Jeep Cherokee. So this is the air blower controller. It's low, but nothing is coming. If it's high, it's working. And did you hear that noise? That noise happens long time ago, and I greased it. But now, these switches doesn't really do anything unless it's high. So the blower unit is behind this washer tank. So we have to remove this washer tank, and so I'm gonna disconnect the ground side of the battery with 1/2 wrench, and this is the easy thing. You just pop out and secure it here so that you don't really get any electric shock or the short circuit. And there are 3 bolts on this washer tank there and here, and you have to cut this tie lock so that you can access to the 2 bolts here. And this screw actually also hold this the fuse box and many things actually, because everything is moving around. But so water is not really empty, but I think it's okay as long as you can access to the blower part. I think it's okay. So pull it to the sideways like this. And now you see the blower in there. So that is the blower unit. See, one, it's here, here, and down there. I think 3 screws. So just remove these. Okay, it took a little bit time, but that's how it winds out. Like this. Now you got the connector here. Disconnect it. There we go. Okay. So this is the blower unit. So this is the difference. So the top and 2 bottoms separations are different, and so if you align this like this, and the original one has this hole, vent hole here, but this guy, new one, vent hole is not here, rather it's here. So that I looked up the feedback for this part, from this manufacturer, and someone actually they gave the review that the one person, a couple of people, they extended the blower in the vent hose from here to here, so that it's extended. That's one way to solve the problem, I think. And also this vent hole is slightly larger diameter. I didn't really measure the diameter, but it's definitely larger than this. So that's the difference. So what I'm gonna try to do is go to my company and use some other tool like a vise. I don't even have vise here, so I'm gonna use the vise and the torch map gas to heat up the flange and try to loosen it up and rotate it and to to make it a fit. I hope this is gonna work. Okay, so I'm back from the company, but all I found is it's impossible. Actually, don't even try this. So what I tried first is to put this on the vise and heat it up and try to turn the motor. It never worked. And then after that, I decided to use a lathe to chuck it here and burn it, turn the lathe and burn this part with the map gas. But I was worried about damaging the motor, because if motors get too hot, the insulation inside and also magnet, this is a DC motor, so the magnet can be damaged. So I gave up. So I'm gonna go with the plan B. So what I got is this hose, so blade hose, and it just got the right size that gonna go into it, and go like this. I don't like this bent, but I hope the air will gonna go through enough. And put the copper tubing, I think 1/2 inch copper tubing, go with this and connect it to the other part. I'll probably chop off a little bit, adjust the length of the hose, and I hope this is gonna work. Okay, I put back this fan, and to put back it's easier. You use the socket and tap it like this. Here we go. I'm gonna put this guy, and again, there we go. Okay, and it spins fine. Okay, and I think I'm gonna, since I've used this guy a lot with torch and things, so I'm gonna connect this to the car and see if this spins or not. Okay. Okay, that's like, even with the new blower, so it only works at the high setting, so it's not this blower, but the other part, I think I have to replace the switch part, or there's some like the controller part. Okay, let's put back the fan unit. I put this gasket. This gasket was originally on the opposite side. I corrected it. Orientation like this. I put it back in here. If the process is correct, this job should be really straightforward. You just remove it and put back this guy. So this is the washer. Put this guy in. This is it in. Same thing. By the way, this guy has some like a seal material. Okay, I put the hose clamp. The other side was actually really tight, so I don't think it's gonna pop out. The other side is gonna pop out. Okay, I replaced the blower, but as I tested outside, even with bent and low, it doesn't turn. It's until I hit high, it doesn't turn on. Yeah, blower doesn't really turn on with low. So I think it's this switch or some electronics inside. I have to look into it, and I will make another YouTube video for the following up situation. Okay, let me wrap up today's replacement. It's I can't believe that it took this long. It's already evening. I mean, the 4 or 5 p.m. I started around the 9 a.m. And if that the first of all, if the blower, if that replacement part was just same as the stock part, then it's like a 30 minutes or 1 hour job. But unfortunately, it was not. The hole of the cooling of the motor was totally on the misaligned, and first I tried to rotate the motor from the flange, and that took about many hours. So the first part of the video, this video is just the showing the plan B. Plan B, someone else also wrote in the review of this product, that the location is different and you need to extend the hose, and that is exactly what I did. Also, they put some hose. You can be creative. I use braid hose and also the copper, half-inch copper tubing for the connection to the original rubber part, but you can use other things to do that. But I don't like this solution, honestly, because that kink, the sharp bend of the tubing will definitely reduce the airflow. So I hope the manufacturer will change that design so that it's gonna fit well to the 93 Jeep Cherokee, and also other people having the same problem on this other car, the XJ series of this year. And so after this video, if you're interested in, I will just continue the struggle with the plan A. That's to try to rotate the motor, and how it was impossible to do that. So I don't recommend you to do that. So they rather just go with the plan B, or try to find other blower. I hope the manufacturer's blower is not like this. So if you can find that kind of blower, that would be great. You just get it, and then this job is just like 1 hour job. And also my case, my Jeep, even after replacing the blower was hissing, so that I think it was worth replacing it. But still, the replacing the blower didn't really solve the problem I had, that at the low setting the no air comes out. So looks like it's the switch or some electronics. So I have to look into it and try to fix it, and I'm gonna post the new YouTube on that. All right, thank you very much. Bye.